Alrighty, guys. So, I mean, I haven't made a video in 2 months. So, I was like, let's make a unboxing video of what we say, JOOP. What we say, JOOP home clones for men or women, I believe. These are EDU already. Most of these EDU, I don't know how to say that, are for both genders. So I bought these clones, one for my dad and one for me. One is for 4.2 and the other is 2.5, ounces. So I've been using this for many years. I mean, these are pretty good. Like, not these specifically, I just bought them. Like, they were for $64.84 from Perfumana. So I went to Best Buy to buy what we say, this, not to buy, but to check out this gaming laptop that I'm gonna buy. So yeah, the same. The other one is a bit smaller and a little bit difference, So same. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for this video, and I will do a GoPro unboxing and the laptop I was gonna buy, the gaming laptop Acer, 1 TB laptop. So you know you know I hope you guys can smell this. It's pretty good. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Alrighty, bye bye.